The juice. Wow. Cik Emily nak chicken? Okay, yummy yummy. If Cik Emily asks for more, that means it's nice.
Okay.
It's time for the race. 3, 2, 1, and go.
All those are chickens.
So I am going to take my favorite part, which is the drumstick. Right. Yummy. Okay, and I'm going to try. Yeah, just take this. So the skin is slightly crispy. Yummy. When I press here, the juice, wow. Juice. Yummy. So I'm going to try it without any sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The chicken is so juicy and soft, and I can taste the spices and herbs also. I can even taste the lemon. So there's spices, there's lemon sour. It's just nice. It's a bit spicy, but it's okay for me. I think the spicy came from the chili flakes. It's so nice, but I still want to eat with sauce. Lingam extra hot chili sauce. You can also eat this with rice, like olive rice, butter rice. Hey, you know what I'm about to say. Hey, apa sayang? Masih hidup. I like this crunchy. Okay, this is the breast part, and it's still juicy. Wow.
Moist.
See who's eating.
Who's eating?
Hey.
Because it's not clear.
See who's eating?
You can eat with garlic bread. Emre, you want some? Nak chicken? Emre want chicken? Nyam nyam. Come. Nyam nyam. Come. Si Emre nak chicken? Okay, yummy. Okay. Tell Abi nice or not, okay? Nice? Nice?
Nice?
Sedap tak?
Hmm?
Sedap? Okay. Let's see dia minta lagi ke tak. If Sheikh Emre asks for more, that means it's nice.
Pedas tak untuk dia?
I think just luar-luar dia yang pedas, but dalam dia okay. Sheikh Emre! Sheikh Emre like chicken wing, right?
Go, Umi go.
Yummy. Umi peel the skin first, okay? What?
Taste the skin.
Oh, he want more. Sheikh Emre want more. So that means sedap. What is it? Nyam. Nyam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Juicy. Which one? Take. Potato, no egg. That one is potato.
Tak tahu boleh makan tak?
Potato.
Is it keras?
Dia isap spices dia pedas. Emre, why? Boo? You holding your boo.
TV lah.
Habis dia cakap boo. Okay lah, then Umi have to stop eating because Emre need attention. Emre, why? Najuk ke? Why you need like that? You want Umi to carry you? Nak Umi carry? Come hug. Come hug. Okay, come Umi here. Hug. This is not hard. Come sayang. Okay. Umi dah stop makan dah. That is all for today's video. My son needs me right now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.